Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you our 2019 21 Montauk by Boston Whaler. I'm going to go ahead and start in the back. We do have a swim platform back here with a 4-tier stainless steel ladder. Helps you get in and out of the boat. As you climb into the boat and step over this area right here, this is actually a jump seat. You have one of these on both the port and starboard side of the boat. This boat is powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury outboard. Very quiet, it's the new design. Coming up to the helm, plenty of room up here to put a touchscreen navigation display if you wanted. All your switches are at your arm's reach, and you do have Mercury SmartCraft gauges. The throttle is electronic, so it's very easy to maneuver this boat. Right here you do have a reversible leaning post, so this can lift up so you can face the back of the boat and watch the sunset, do whatever you like. There's storage under here, and there's actually storage in the helm as well. Tons of storage up there, but we'll go ahead and go to the front of the boat. So up here, it is pre-wired for a trolling motor, so just add a quick release bracket over here, add your trolling motor, and you're good to go. Right here, you do have your anchor locker. Plenty of room to throw your anchor, rod, and rope in there. Then down here, we have a fish box. So you can use this to keep your fish nice and fresh, or you can use it as a cooler. One additional item on this boat is we do have a removable cooler. So it makes it easy to get your drinks and all your supplies ready in the boat. Or you can make it ready in your house and bring it out to the boat. It does have the cushions on top and the backrest, so it just makes another seat. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us soon.